Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Kinetic Sand Slime is probably one of the most satisfying sensory experiences you can have. Its unique texture, a mesmerizing blend of the firm, granular feel of kinetic sand and the smooth, stretchy consistency of slime, offers a captivating tactile adventure that's both calming and stimulating, making it perfect for stress relief, creative play, or simply enjoying some quiet time. Number 5. Kinetic Sand Ice Cream Treats. Get ready for a sweet treat with Kinetic Sand. This set lets you create delicious-smelling ice cream creations with 3 scented colors of sand. It includes strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla-scented sand. Mix, mold, and create your own ice cream masterpieces. Make ice cream sundaes, waffles, cookie sandwiches, and cones. The possibilities are endless. This playset comes with everything you need: a tray, scoop, cup, spoon, cone mold, waffle press, and 6 topping accessories. It's the perfect ice cream parlor in a box. It's a fun and creative gift for kids. It's also easy to clean up, so you can play again and again. It's made from natural sand and magically sticks together. It's safe for pretend play and easy to clean up. The set includes 1 pound of scented kinetic sand, a tray, sundae cup, cone mold, spoon, scoop, waffle press, 6 accessories, and instructions. Get ready for hours of creative fun. What we like? If you are looking for a themed kinetic sand experience, this is the perfect choice. The delightful scents add another dimension to the fun, and the ice cream tools make it extra creative. If your child loves imaginative play and making pretend treats, they'll adore the set. What people say. The scented sand adds a fun, sensory element to the play. The 3 colors, each with its own delightful scent, really enhance the experience. The vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate scents are sweet but not overpowering, and they last throughout the play session. This playset encourages creativity and imaginative play. It's also great for developing fine motor skills, as she used the scoops and molds to shape and press the sand into different forms. Kinetic sand is always a win for cleanup. It sticks together and doesn't scatter everywhere like traditional sand or Play-Doh. Number 4. National Geographic 6LB Moon Sand. It's the amazing sand that only sticks to itself, not you. Get ready for hours of mess-free fun and creativity. This set comes with 6 different molds, letting you build magnificent castles, pyramids, and so much more. With 2 pounds each of blue, purple, and natural sand, it's a huge set that keeps on giving. It never dries out, so the fun never ends. It's hypoallergenic and super easy to clean up, making it perfect for kids of all ages. Enjoy worry-free playtime. We create the best hands-on science toys, providing exceptional quality and service. It's more than just fun, it's educational. What we like? If you need a large amount of sand for extended play, this is the best option. The variety of colors and the castle molds offer endless building possibilities. If your kids enjoy constructing elaborate sandcastles and have a lot of space to play, this is a great value for your money. What people say. Great sand for our sandboxes. It's easy to build with and clean up is a breeze. Soft and fun. The quality of this kinetic sand is better than the other bulk 11 pounds pack on Amazon. The flow of the sand is mesmerizing and it is less clay-like than some cheaper competitors. It has good adhesion, but doesn't get as stiff and hard to scoop as some of the others. It is easy to pull out toys. Kinetic sand has been a wonderful addition to our childcare environment. The children love the soft, moldable texture, and it provides a calming sensory experience as they squeeze, shape, and watch it flow through their fingers. It's a great tool for promoting fine motor skills, creativity, and even mindfulness. Unlike regular sand, it sticks together, making cleanup so much easier. Number 3. Kinetic Sandisfactory Set. It's the original squeezable sand kids love. Feel it flow through your fingers like slow-moving liquid. It oozes, moves, and melts in a satisfying way. With the included tools and molds, you can transform it like never before. Mix, cut, pull, shape, and scoop it to reveal surprising designs. It comes in red, blue, yellow, black, and rare white. Mix colors together to create new shades and use the tools to make amazing designs. This inspires creativity and develops sensory skills. Kids can create anything they imagine, again and again. It's a fun gift for kids aged 3 and up. It's perfect for sand art and kids' crafts. Made from natural sand, it's a great birthday or holiday gift. It includes 4.5 pounds of kinetic sand, a dome mold, cube stampers, tools, a knife, a squisher, a plate, a sandbox, a backdrop, and instructions. It's covered by the Spin Master Care commitment. What we like. If you want a unique kinetic sand experience, this set is for you. The rare white sand is a special edition, and the wide array of tools allows for diverse creations. If your child loves experimenting with colors and textures, they'll be captivated by the possibilities this set offers. Number 2. GirlZone Unicorn Sand Art Kit. It's time to unleash your child's creativity with this amazing sand art kit. The colorful kinetic sand and fun molds will keep them entertained for hours. Everything you need is included. This kit comes with vibrant unicorn-themed sand in multiple colors and 7 different tools for endless creative possibilities. It's more than just fun, it's educational. This kit helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination while sparking imagination. Looking for the perfect gift? This sensory sand kit is ideal for birthdays, Easter, or any special occasion. It's a gift that keeps on giving. With its vibrant rainbow colors and easy-to-mold sand, it's perfect for creating magical unicorn castles and other enchanting sand art. The reusable container makes cleanup a breeze. What we like. If you're looking for a magical and colorful kinetic sand experience, this is it. The vibrant colors and unicorn theme make it perfect for imaginative play. If your child loves unicorns and enjoys creative activities, this set will spark their imagination. What people say. The sand is beautiful and very kinetic, sticks well when building the castles. This play sand kit contains everything my 5-year-old needs to stay entertained for hours. I like that this set comes with different color and a lot of tools to keep it interesting to kids. There is a lot of sand in this kit too, which is really great. Lovely bright colors, lots of accessories, kept my 7-year-old little girl entertained for so long. Number 1. SLIMYGLOOP Slimy Sand. Get ready for hours of fun with this amazing sand. It's super stretchy and moldable, perfect for creating anything you can imagine. Mold it, shape it, crush it, and start again. The possibilities are endless with this magical sand. Let your creativity run wild. Experience the unique sensory joy of squishing, twisting, and stretching this incredible sand. It's a tactile adventure for all ages. Play inside the convenient box and keep everything contained. It's easy to clean up and store, making it perfect for playtime. The act of molding and squeezing this sand is incredibly calming and therapeutic. It's a great way to relieve stress and develop fine motor skills. You get 3 vibrant colors of slimy sand, fun molds, a fish plate, and an impression roller. Everything you need for endless creative fun. What we like. If you want a fun and easy to clean kinetic sand experience, this is a great choice. The mermaid theme and 3D molds add to the imaginative play, and the reusable box makes cleanup a breeze. If your child loves mermaids and enjoys tactile play, this set is perfect for mess-free fun. What people say. It's very easy to clean up because it's not sticky. The consistency is like moon sand, Play-Doh, and heaven all mixed together. The idea to use the rollers and stamps, which work really well, as storage space is really great. They say it's nice and smooth. I love the easy cleanup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.